Vanakkam, my name is Aksa. I'm from Kashmir. This is my first film in Tamil, so I'm super duper excited. I'm happy to share screen with Arjun sir, Manisha ma'am, and Sham sir. The music is amazing as it's been given by Mr. Ilya Raja sir. The story is great and it's kind of a thriller, and I'm playing a teenager in the film. Um, the music is nice. You must watch the film once it's released. Thank you.